Alright, welcome back. We are polishing headlights today. This is our 2016 Honda Pilot. And the headlights are looking kind of dingy. This is the driver's side. And I've already got the passenger side taped off. You can see how it's cloudy. So I'm going to polish this up. All right, the supplies or materials of choice today, as usual, the Meguiars Ultra Cut compound, ultra heavy cut, right up there at number 12. This one doesn't stop at 10, it goes to 12. And our trusty Harbor Freight drill with the right angle adapter and just a little polishing pad. So let's get set up. All right, I'm using this on low speed. I'm going to kind of start on this cloudy part here. All right, big difference already. Awesome. All right, so this is real time. You're just kind of seeing how long it takes to actually do this, which isn't long at all. I've done this numerous times with great success, and it's way cheaper than buying new headlights. Now, if yours are like super bad, this won't work. But this had just a little bit of fading, starting to get just a little crusty. Actually, I've been meaning to do this for a while, but you know, life gets in the way as it does with everything else. All right, we're looking quite a bit better. So here's that side that was so cloudy. Way better. All right, I may touch this one up a bit. I'm going to do the other side and I'll come back for a final look.